This is for Bolton's young people. For the 15 to 24-year-olds who've been told you're not enough. For the NEETs, the care leavers, the young people.
Good afternoon, we're in Bolton Marketplace today. We're on the first week of the Boss Your Future Bolton programme. We've had our first guest day on Thursday. Now today we've come out to do a bit of a social. We've had a game of crazy golf, haven't we, Lewis?
Yeah.
And we've got some scores in. Some of the scores bode well for some people and for others they don't. But for Lewis, how did you fare today?
It was a close, but I won by a hair's edge. I think it was the one hole I got lucky on was it hole 10?
Hole 10, yeah.
When I scored a hole in one, and I think it was a 4 lead. It was literally a case of I got 4 on that one, and if Mikey Sammer got 4, it would have been a tie.
Yeah.
But I think I lucked out. It's a very difficult hole, number 18, so it was just, I'm going to chalk it up to luck, that's all I can say.
Well, we've had a few eventful things. We've had one of the golf balls nearly went up the escalator, sent it out the room and up the escalator.
Went to Nando's.
To Nando's. Where do you think it went wrong for us, Lewis?
I'm not really.
Yourself.
I think it was literally just bad luck. I can't chalk it up to skill because I was not expecting to hit a hole in one. If I hadn't hit that hole in one, I wouldn't have won. I'm going to say that right now.
But the fact is you did. And so you are the winner, a worthy winner. You take the scorecard.
Yeah.
And it's bye from me.
It's bye from me.
Started on these streets where the hope ran thin. Doors felt heavy, didn't know where to begin. Told to wait, told to fit the same old plan. But we needed more than talk, we needed a hand. Then the light came on in the heart of the town. A place where futures get built, not written off or down. Real people, real voices, someone who listens. Boss your future, showed us what's been missed. They said, you've met